Hi angels, welcome back to another Cyanotype video. So it's a little bit hot today, that's why I have my fan on. I need the air to be circulated. Even though this is just going to take 2 seconds, it's still very hot. So we're going to be making another Cyanotype tote bag. I'm going to tell you this from now. This did not turn out as planned, and this is 100% my mistake. I don't know how I made this big mistake, but I did, and I ruined everything that I made. But just get into this video. I bought some more Cyanotype stencils from Etsy's. I'll leave the link for the seller down in the description box down below. And we're going to be using some pink Cyanotype. So with my tote bag, I get everything prepared and ready. And now I'm just brushing on there the Cyanotype. I'm going to let the Cyanotype sit on there overnight. You don't have to. You can just wait until it's completely dry. And then you can start adding on there your stencil, your image, whatever you want to do. But I just let this dry overnight so that there is no chance that this was a little bit wet or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing here. The tote bag, I probably got it from Michael's or Joann's. It came in a pack of 3. I bought it years ago, way before the pandemic. So I don't know if it's still around or anything. But it's just some simple, cute little white tote bag. Voila. Now I'm finished. There's some spots that's missing, so I'm just going over there with my brush. And also I'm going to be doing the sides as well. And that's it. Well, that's it for now. Exactly. Voila. It looks good. I wasn't going to do the sides, but I realized that I had more Cyanotype in the cup, so why not use up everything instead of just having it sit in a corner? It would have served no one, not a single purpose. Almost finished. I'm doing the other side, and then I realized that I missed some spots on this side as well, so I'm just going over it really quickly. And we are done. So now it is in the morning, and you can see that it's completely dry. So now it's time to pick. Oh my God, why can't I talk? So now it's time to pick out the stencils that I want to be using. And these are the ones that I'm deciding on. I was so confused because when I placed it up against the bag, I couldn't see which side was a lighter blue and which side was like the darker. The darker part is the part that you're supposed to place onto the bag. So I was just making sure that I got it right so that the image can transfer it on there perfectly and that it wouldn't be a problem. So I'm just picking out my images that I want on the bag, and that's it. Well, that's not it, but that's it for now. After I have everything figured out, I'm going to place the glass on top of it, and then I'm going to clip around the sides so that everything can be secured, so that the image does not move around or anything, and that it's fully pressed down onto the bag. And it's looking good. Everything is looking good, to be exact. So now I can turn on my UV light. I'm going to let this sit and do its magic for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Voila. So now I'm just removing the clips from around the sides. Then you're going to remove the glass. And then the image comes off perfectly. Time for the big reveal. This one turned out cute. Love it. This one as well. Gorgeous. This one, fantastic. This is my favorite. And this one as well. Look at how gorgeous everything just looks. So perfect. So this is where the big mistake is. So this Cyanotype came with something that you used to wash out the Cyanotype with. So I decided, okay, that's perfect. Let me just throw everything in here. All of the Cyanotype stuff that I've made. I did not turn everything inside out. So when I placed the liquid on top, the image completely disappeared, especially in the black. the image is gone. It like if nothing transferred on there. The first shirt that I placed in there, it turned inside out by itself, and that's the only one that the image stick onto. Everything else completely ruined. Not completely ruined. Well, the black shirt is completely ruined, but the tote bag, the image just looks so faded. So faded. Ugh. Alright, so it is in the morning. The bag is fully dried, and this is just how it turned out. The image is there. You can quite see it, but the before and after, you can see that the color definitely faded. I thought it was because I put the liquid that the kit came with. She used to wash it, but I tried it again, washed it without the liquid, and it still turned out the same. It just faded. I think that's just how it is. It's not as pink as it once was. If you wash it out, it's just gonna get faded. So yeah, this is it. It's cute. I like it. So adorable. Everything looks good. Well, let me see how it looks outside. Okay, so this is how the bag looks outside. Outside lights usually makes a big difference. I don't know what. But this is just how it looks. I like the way how it turned out. It turned out super cute. And yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Bye. Alright, one last thing before I end this video. So I washed this top, the tote bag, and another top all together in the video that I did show you guys of me putting everything in the washing machine. And this is the only one that came out, I think, better than the rest of them. The pink is still there and everything just looks good. I didn't do a tutorial for this one, but yeah, it looks good. I think it has more pink than the tote bag. Let me put them side by side together so we can see. And I was right. This has more pink than the tote bag. It's very, very obvious. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!